Thank you for watching Junk Bowler. This is Alex. So, I didn't like the original intro to the video I'm going to show you today I made, so we're going to make this real quick. Now, we're about 2 months ahead now. So I'm also going to show you how far we've gotten on the project, just to show you, we're still doing it. Like, I haven't given up. But we're going to go ahead and drop you right into it, where we are picking up my favorite thing in the world, aluminum cans. So, enjoy. Okay, there's the majority of the cans. Now we pulled out the majority of all this old wood. This wood gets stored in a different part of the property, so it's not going to stay here in the scrap yard. It's got its own scrap yard. So now let's get into meat and potatoes and pick up the trash. I'll take you with me this time. Da-da-da! I give you the trash can cam. Ho-ho! Okay. There's one for the pile. Woo, woo. So that's most of the trash. It's not all of it, but it is a great start, and as we start to do the final push on all of this, everything else will kind of work its way out and get raked up and everything else. So that's the end of this one for you guys. Thank you for watching.